All right, I wanted to put together this little screencast tutorial on how to insert links, okay, to your videos, your evidence videos onto directly onto your physical activity journal. So basically, this is how to link a video file, okay, onto Google Sheets. So for an example, okay, right here, what I want to do is I want to show evidence that I did an agility ladder circuit in my garage. Okay. So how am I going to link a video to that so that the teacher can click on it and see it? Well, here's what you're going to do. Okay. First of all, there are two options to do this. Okay. One of them, first, you have to make sure that you are clicked in the cell that you want to link. Okay. So you'll notice that I'm clicked in this cell right here. Okay. There's two ways of doing this. You can either go to insert. Okay. And when you go to insert, you want to go down here where it says insert link. Okay. Or the other option, the shortcut, okay, to that is you would find these three dots right up here. Okay. They may not have dots if your screen's open wide enough. If not, you're going to see three dots right here. Okay. The goal is when you see those three dots, you're going to click on them and you're going to look for this button. Okay. It's the same thing. Okay. That is the link icon. Okay. Now, you're going to notice something when you go to that. Okay. So now what you're going to do is go to your cell. Okay. And you're going to go to this link icon. And what it's going to do, okay, is right here, there's going to be a link that you need to paste. Well, you haven't cut a link yet, or you haven't copied a link. So you're going to copy and paste it into there. Okay. So here's what you need to do. This is the most important step is you need to take your videos and you need to make sure that whatever videos you're using for evidence, they're on your Google Drive. Okay. So you'll notice right here in my Google Drive, here are agility ladder exercises. Okay. So let's say I wanted to do side to sides. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit get shareable link. Okay. You're going to get the link. And what you're going to do is copy that link. You're going to copy it. And then you're going to go back. Okay. You're going to go to your cell. You're going to go to the link. All right. You are going to paste it in and you're going to hit apply. Okay. Now, here's what's cool. Now that you've done that, okay, I can click on here. All right. And look what it does is it is going to pop up right in to the video that you saved. Okay. So that is how you do it. All right. You are once again going to click on the cell. You're going to hit the link, the insert link icon. You are then going to copy the link from your Google Drive and paste it right into the cell. Okay. I hope this helped you. All right. If you still have more questions, go ahead and email me.